What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you are new. Today's video is going to be focused on my wash day routine, but specifically we're going to be focused on filling our hair with moisture. So this is my hair after removing a protective style. This was my knotless braids. So I do have some buildup, and because I used a wax in my hair feels very stiff and it's time for it to be washed. So the first thing I'm doing is separating my hair into sections because I'm going to be adding in my Prepoo to detangle my hair first. So the Prepoo that I'll be using today is by African Pride. It is their Moisture Miracle Pre-Shampoo, and I love this product. It's very gooey and it feels very thick, and I think that has a lot to do with the aloe vera that's in the product. I like using aloe vera to focus on not just my hair strands but also my scalp, because aloe vera helps our hair grow. It also helps prevent any itching on the scalp and reducing any dandruff or any buildup that you may have. Now sometimes I get a little bit of dandruff here and there, so I love using aloe vera, and you can actually create your own Prepoo using just aloe vera, just the leaf, or using it with some oils and applying it to your hair and detangling prior to your shampoo process. Now what you see me doing here is just detangling my hair in every section before I hop into the shower to wash this out, and I actually leave this pre-shampoo in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes. I started doing pre-pooing in my hair a couple of months ago because I just felt like I needed my hair to do something different. I felt like I needed to include more care and tender loving for my hair, so I started doing my pre-poos, and it has been a great benefit. I see the difference in how my hair feels throughout my twist outs, my wash and goes, and it's just super beneficial. So I would definitely recommend pre-shampooing throughout your wash day routine. After about 15 minutes, I hop in the shower to rinse out my pre-shampoo, and then I proceed to shampoo my hair. The shampoo that I'll be using is also by African Pride. It is their Moisture Miracle Honey and Coconut Oil Shampoo. And if you haven't noticed, all of the products that I'll be using today are going to be by African Pride because this Moisture Miracle line is bae, okay? 100. It is so good, you guys. I love this shampoo for many reasons, but the main one is all of the moisture that is added into my hair while it is being clarified. I love this shampoo so much. Sometimes I just want to detangle my hair with the shampoo, but I know because of the manipulation that shampoo causes to our hair, it is not good. If you're one of those people that detangles your hair with shampoo, stop doing that right now, okay? Don't do that. Do it with your conditioner. I know that the moisture in this shampoo has a lot to do with the honey that it contains. I tried to do some research on how honey is so moisturizing, and I realized that it has this ingredient called emollients, which are basically moisturizers, and that's what causes our hair to feel so smooth when we use honey. And coconut oil, which also helps prevent any breakage to our hair. Before adding any product into my hair, I always make sure to soak my hair with water because, as we know, water is the #1 moisturizer. So after shampooing my hair, I follow up with my conditioner, which is the honey, chocolate, and coconut oil conditioner by the Moisture Miracle line. And I use a lot, and it smells amazing, okay? Every single product in this line smells so good. This conditioner in specific smells very rich. Like the chocolate, I feel, gives it this very royal smell. I don't know if that makes sense, but that's what I think of when I smell this conditioner. So basically, I just separate my hair into sections once again. And I wanted to leave this clip for you guys so you guys can see how fast my hair was detangled. It was less than a minute, y'all, I swear. And yes, of course, this has a lot to do with the fact that I detangled my hair prior to getting in the shower, but also this conditioner, y'all, my hair was just cooperating. Like, it was all good, and I loved it because African Pride really killed it with this line. If you haven't heard my rant already in my twist and curl video, this line is one of my favorites. When I first got this product, I was like, why is there chocolate in a conditioner? Like, how does chocolate help us? But obviously chocolates are not just good for when we eat it and it helps us with our skin and all that good stuff. But chocolate is also very rich in magnesium, which is a mineral that helps combat hair loss. So if you're one of my ladies who is struggling with hair loss, or you have certain patches in your hair, girl, get you some products with some chocolate, some cocoa, because that will alleviate all of those things. So once again, I continue adding water in my hair, and as you can see, my curls are clumping, my hair is shiny, it feels good, it looks good. Then I follow up with my Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Heat Activated Mask. I love this mask. It is so thick, like so thick, and I know it has a lot to do with the Moroccan Clay. Now, if you didn't know, there are so many benefits to using Moroccan Clay. Not only does it aid in moisture, but it also reduces flakiness, it clears clogged pores, it improves your hair elasticity, it aids in detangling, it reduces frizz. Like, what does this clay not do? And on top of that, it also has shea butter. Like, I don't know what African Pride was doing when they created this line, but whoever was a part of this team of creatives, y'all did that. So my next step is to just put my hair in a cap and I sit under the hooded dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I hop back in the shower. And do you guys see my hair? Like, hello. My final step is to add a leave-in spray of some sort. In this case, I am using the leave-in spray by the Moisture Miracle line, which is also really good. It has coconut milk and honey. And I like doing this just because I like to have something in my hair before styling it. Now, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope that this video was helpful and you learned a new way to add in some moisture into your hair. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!